Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I got my strap today from my doctor's bag. You can use a strap from luggage bag, a towel, something that'll basically do the same thing as what we're using for here. All you have to do is we're going to stretch out our calves and our ankles today and our feet. You're going to take the strap and put it around your feet here. And what you want to do is you want to keep your legs somewhat straight. When you're also going to keep your feet together, and we're going to do both legs at the same time. And you're just going to pump and pull. When you get to a point where you feel a good stretch, I want you to hold that for about 30 seconds. You can go for longer if you want, but 30 seconds is going to be the minimum you want to stretch for. The straighter you keep your legs, the more you're going to also affect your knees, so this will help your knee as well. But if you just bend your knees slightly, you'll only target the calves and the ankles, and that'll help loosen that area up. Go ahead and give that a shot, and thank you so much for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.